Hello YouTube, Ranger Reno. We're heading into the Lake of the Clouds up on Lake Superior, Ontonagon, Michigan. I'll take you along on the trip, show you some of the scenery. It's absolutely stunning and I hope you enjoy it. Here we go, start the hike. Okay, we're just approaching the first view, Lake of the Clouds. Nice paved trail coming up. Pretty steep incline, let me tell you. Holy wow, look at this view, man. I mean, I am talking phenomenal. Wow. Check this out. Totally worth the hike. Check that out. Oh man. There's a big cliff up here. Right here on the left-hand side. I'm gonna go up there. That's the ultimate view. But time to come here is in the fall when the colors are changing. Let's look a little closer. Oh man, what a view. See where they call it Lake of the Clouds. 1,000 feet above sea level here. Absolutely beautiful. The Carp River exits at this point, heading down to Lake Superior. The big lake they call Gitchagumi. Apologize for the wind, but it's to be expected up here. Yeah, it's only 54 degrees out here, but the hike is very strenuous. And I'm staying plenty warm with just a t-shirt on. This is the lake behind me. Wow, what a view. I'm telling you, this is eye candy to the max. I apologize for the wind, but I'm telling you, it's just howling probably 15, 20 miles an hour today, making it cool as well. But like I say, we're into major hiking mode and putting on some miles, uphill climbs that really, yeah, testing the old ticker out, you know. Good for me. Here we go, back on the trail. Pretty rugged trail. Steep, lots of rock, sticks, stones. Be careful. Nice pair of Keen hiking boots helps out for sure. Another astounding feature of the trail network, the scenic beauty, etc., is the fact that you are in the Ottowa National Forest up here. This is probably the largest tract of virgin forest still standing in the Midwest. The hemlock tree behind me is, I would estimate, 10 feet in circumference. An incredible tree to behold, and they're all around you. All these trees, all this area, incredible virgin forest. Something you just don't see around anywhere. You have to come here to see it. This is known as the Lake of the Clouds cabin, maintained by the U.S. Forest Service, I believe, and you can actually rent it out. Right now there's nobody here. It's very early season, so otherwise the trail to this location is for occupants only. We're just checking it out today and having an absolutely wonderful time on this beauty day. Absolutely beautiful. We have a little boat right here that you can use in conjunction with the cabin. And again, this one's not, that's a white pine, not too big, but like I say, as I understand it, This land has not seen the chainsaw of any timber company ever. That hemlock back there I was showing you is probably pushing 90 feet tall, and I would guess 300 years old. It's just an educated guess. Let's zoom in a little on the lake. The wind's coming right down the pipe today, making for some whitecaps, but absolutely beautiful. Spring bloom underway. Sunny day, fresh air. Man, is it good. Going to give a little shout out to Dave Whipple, otherwise known as Bush Radical on the YouTube channels. I've never met the man, but he's a fellow Yooper, loves the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. He's got little cabins, tiny houses, all sorts of stuff. Spent time in Alaska on the Yukon River. Got some real good stuff on his channel to watch. Check it out. Here's to Dave. Okay, so the outlet does not have a very flattering name. It's called the Carp River. Jeez, who came up with that? I don't know. But you can see the beaver have dammed it up downstream, backing up the water level to new heights, drowning out a lot of the brush. And of course the winter and the rough weather has taken its toll. Here's a canoe stuck in the walkway of the river. Somebody will have to retrieve that fairly soon, I hope. But here's a beautiful panoramic view of the outlet now from Lake of the Clouds. Well, there's a pretty good bear population out here. So each campsite has a pole right out here for caching your food at night. So you can hang your food up there, and then nice little campsite back this way. It's got a fire ring and everything. Maybe you see it back there. But they give you the tools necessary to make it right, but you do have to be knowledgeable of black bears. Plenty around up here.
Here's a cub. Oh, he's running the other way.
Yeah. Watch out, dude. Yeah. This guy doesn't have a clue.
No, none.
Here he comes. Let him go.
Here comes the cub again. There he goes.
He wants to catch up with Mama.
Uh-huh.
Come on, little fella. Go to Mama. Get my blinkers going and everything for you. There we go.
There he goes. Look at him.
Little tiny fella.
Oh, I'm missing him. There we go.
All right, guys, gals, YouTube people, we have had a wonderful hike all the way down to the lake, to the bridge, down to the cabin, etc. The day is wonderfully, wonderfully beautiful, and we're gonna call it a wrap. So I'm glad you could come along on the hike, enjoy the time, see some of the trails. I advise you to get up here and do a little hiking on it. I want to give a shout out to a new subscriber, CK, who subscribed last week. Hope you're watching. To the rest of you, Ranger Reno, over and out.